Well, the government of Trinidad and Tobago is hopeful of receiving a tranche of COVID-19 Pfizer vaccines soon. However, Prime Minister Dr Keith Rowley said those vaccines will be reserved for the members of the population who are secondary school age. The announcement was made this afternoon by the Prime Minister during a press conference at the Diplomatic Centre in St. Anne's. Khrystal Wilson has more in this report.
If our children go out to school, they will be going out unvaccinated.
Prime Minister Dr Keith Rowley on Saturday during his weekly press conference to update on matters relating to COVID-19. With no decision yet on whether schools in Trinidad and Tobago will reopen in September 2021, the Prime Minister shared that arrangements are being made to secure a batch of Pfizer vaccines. He made it clear, however, these vaccines are solely for the inoculation of the younger population.
That is the only vaccine that has WHO clearance for the use on children from age 12 and above, which means our secondary school children population. If we get our hands on those vaccines, it will be the only vaccine that is available with a clearance for use on children.
Dr. Rowley said his government continues to be guided by Ministry of Health officials who are the ones with responsibility of tracking daily COVID-19 infection rates. Prime Minister Rowley said documents to secure the Pfizer vaccine have already been signed and is hopeful that all goes well and the vaccines should arrive sometime in August.
We had to sign 3 documents and we've finally done that. And we are now waiting the next step, which is I think the allocation has been made, and we are awaiting the logistical release. But that is not under our control.
The Prime Minister took the opportunity to remind members of the public that the vaccination process in Trinidad and Tobago remains a voluntary one. He said this would only change if things get worse.
I am not a dictator, and I will not be dictating to anybody in this country on any matter. But however, if we do, God forbid, find ourselves in a situation with a virus or a bacteria or anything like that that is killing people like flies, and we have a medication that can be administered to people, I don't know that I'll be inventing any new positions in this country because we have done that before.
Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.